see
Tater.
Horsey. Horsey, sneak. Let's
She
go
looking
see
at
the rock.
everything.
Let's go.
Tater, let's go see the bird, the horsey.
You want to go see the flowers? Leaf? You want to get a leaf from the tree?
She took her hand down. She gripped it back though. In the grass? You can walk in the grass. It's okay.
Come to mommy. Stand up and come to mommy. Stand up. Come to mommy. Come with me. Let's go see the horse. Come to mommy. You are walking. Let's go see the horsey. You on the move. You're right. That's all right. Stand back up. Let's go see the horsey. Boom. Let's go see the horsey.